So guys, this is how it's gonna go. Now, if you wanted to stop it, so it can go even further, but if you wanted to stop it, you don't have to keep going as high. So for us, this is gonna be perfect. So we're actually gonna stop it right here for this height. Hey guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. So for today's video, we're showing you guys this AmazerBath over the toilet storage shelf. So let's get started. Alright guys, this is everything that comes in. You have all these different peg legs. You then have the brackets and the actual shelving. So they just fold together like this. Make sure you follow your instructions. So this is the shelf unit. It looks very easy and very simple, and obviously this is going to be for the floor. So this is going to be your legs for the floor. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and set this up and show you guys what it looks like when we're done. All right guys, so the first step is you're gonna decide which is the front, which is the back, and it's gonna go on like this. So this piece is gonna be the back for us, this long piece, and you're just going to start threading down in the different pieces on here, just like this. The instructions are super easy, guys. I mean, I think anybody could do this. It looks like from design, they made this really good. So you just twist in. You don't have to go super tight, just tight enough that it locks in place. Each little peg goes straight down in, and you just twist. It's so easy, guys. So easy. Please remember, guys, that if your toilet goes up against the wall, you want to put this piece on first behind the toilet. So you don't want to assemble this whole unit first and then try and slide it on. So you want to assemble it after it's behind the toilet. But normally you have 4 more legs. So normally you would then put, instead of this piece here, you would put the 4 legs on it, and then, you know, it would be higher. You would have this one on here, then you would put the 4 legs on top, and then you would have this other one, and that would probably put it like way up top here. But for us, this looks nicer right as it is. So we're just gonna put our end pieces on, and that's it, guys. Yeah, we like it. Good for storage.